Hi, I'm Robert Hart, co-founder and creative director of Bunker Mentality. Golf is our wonderful obsession. It's our thing. It's why our brand exists.
Golf is full of stars for sure, but our golf stars are those who get up at the crack of dawn to hit it hard along some fairway. Perhaps that's you.
Bunker is a golf brand for golfers who love the great game, but who share a different mentality. We're inclusive rather than exclusive.
We push open the envelope without compromising golf etiquette.
And we do it full on with our own style, creating a new wave of golf culture.
Our mission is to create new traditions and future classics in golf by creating clothing and events that inspire our community of golfers.
Golf is an old game, but with a new breed of golfers. Golfers nowadays are younger, more media savvy, and much more diverse. And these changes are disrupting the market.
Golf has become a true lifestyle sport, and Bunker aims to reflect that market change through bold and brave product design and daring to be different.
Our clothing has a strong, modern, fashion-forward spirit that can be worn from the first tee to last orders. We're defined by dynamic colours, graphic energy, and attention to detail, and an irreverent sense of humour.
Bunker Mentality is a pure-play, direct-to-consumer golf brand, and we have delivered to 55 countries this year alone.
With a thriving community of 68,000 golfers around the world who absolutely love Bunker, we feel that crowdfunding is a great way for us to give them the chance to join us on the next stage of our journey and to own a part of our business.
The global golf apparel market is worth $3.9 billion, and over the last 24 months, the UK golf market has grown significantly by 2.1 million to 5.2 million players. The timing for us could not be better.
With an increase in revenue of 236% since 2019, we've seen tremendous growth, and we're now looking to accelerate that growth even further.
Our business is focused on 3 pillars. First, our clothing shows that style matters in this game, and we're creating new traditions and future classics in golf lifestyle.
Second, we've built a community of golfers with a Bunker mentality, which we intend to grow by creating marketing and engaging social media content through our own unique Bunker events, including our AGM, which will be a golf event.
And third, customer service. We're totally focused on giving the very best service to our customers, wherever they are in the world.
With the funds we raised in this round, we're looking to create optimal stock cover in key product areas to enable us to drive sales growth and increase our conversion rates.
We'll aim to develop the current collection and add more cold weather product, as well as rainwear. We also have plans to launch Bunker Woman in 2022.
We'll look to increase our marketing activities by creating online content that reinforces our brand mission and values.
We'll also be holding Bunker events to allow people to experience the brand firsthand and to create content for our social media channels.
And finally, if we sufficiently overfund, we will look to hire our own content creator to bring our marketing to life every day.
At Bunker Mentality, we're here for the love of the game,
The passion and the excitement,
the pain and the frustration.
and the laughter and the fun. Don't forget the fun. We're massively excited about the opportunity for Bunker, and we're really keen that you, our Team Bunker, can actively contribute and move us to the next level. We would love you to join us in our journey.